Dear students, today we are going to discuss about Doppler effect, last topics of wave motion, class 11. Doppler effect. Doppler effect means this is the phenomenon due to which there will be apparent change in frequency of sound wave due to relative motion between the source of sound and the listener. Doppler effect means क्या है ना, this is the apparent change in frequency due to the relative motion of the source of sound and the listener. Apparent change, actual frequency change नहीं हो रहा है, लग रहा है फ्रीक्वेंसी चेंज हो रहा है. तो सो दिस इज द फेनोमेनन according to which there will be apparent change in frequency of sound waves due to relative motion between the source and the source and the listener. Source means source of sound and the listener. This is called the Doppler effect of sound. Now it has so many topics. Suppose source is moving, listener is stationary, source moving towards the stationary listener, moving away from the stationary listener, source is stationary, listener is moving towards or away, like this way. Both are moving. Different cases we have to study. Today I am telling about the source of sound is moving towards the stationary listener. Source of is moving towards the stationary listener. That means, suppose train, you are waiting for train in the station, train is moving towards you, this situation. Then what will be the apparent change in frequency? Say, this is listener, this is listener, this is source of sound, and there is in 1 second it is moving from this point to this point. That means the speed of sound is v. If the source move towards this, so say source is here now. Number of waves remains the same. Number of waves remains the same. So this is V, a speed of source of sound. Speed of source of sound. Listener is stationary. Listener is stationary. This is listener जो सुन रहे हैं जैसे you are waiting for train in the station, you are listener. Suppose this is the train is moving, and train has also some speed, so this is Vs. So what is this distance? V minus Vs. This is, in this distance the number of waves is compressed. Number of waves is compressed. When the source is not moving and listener is also not moving, then what we get? V equal to nu equal to V by lambda. Nu equal to V by lambda. But due to motion of the source of sound towards the listener, the number of waves now compressed in the region, in the distance V minus Vs. So now wavelength is changed. What will be the wavelength? This is V minus Vs by nu. V minus Vs by nu. But what is nu? Nu equal to V by lambda. Now you see, what is the apparent frequency? Apparent frequency nu dash equal to V by lambda dash. V by lambda dash. So put this value lambda dash. So V nu by V minus Vs. This is the expression for apparent frequency when source of sound is moving towards the stationary listener. When source of sound is moving towards the stationary listener. What we have told? When the source and the listener both are stationary, we have got this relation nu equal to V by lambda. But the source is not stationary. Source is moving towards the listener. So the number of waves which are getting by the listener is same, but they are compressed in the distance V minus Vs. V minus Vs. So what will be the new wavelength? This is nu dash lambda dash equal to V minus Vs by nu. So apparent frequency what will be? Nu dash equal to V by lambda dash, and put the value lambda dash. We are getting this relation nu dash equal to V nu by V minus Vs when the source is moving towards the stationary listener. Now case is when the source is moving away from the stationary listener, then what will happen? Now then figure, what will be the figure? You see, in this case the figure will be, the train is moving in this direction. So number of waves remains the same, but wavelength will change, and the wavelength is here compressed. So in this case this will be relaxed or extended. So you see the figure, say listener, and now source is here, say here, this is the so number of waves remains the same, but wavelength changed. So now wavelength is in the region V plus Vs. You see, this is V and this is Vs. So this is your S. So V, this is Vs. This is your V this is Vs. So this is V plus Vs. So what will be the relation? In this case, lambda dash will be this, then this, then this. So when source is moving towards the stationary listener, the expression for apparent frequency will be nu dash equal to V nu by V minus Vs. Then apparent frequency increases. You see this, you are in the station, train is coming towards you, then the sound is becoming louder and louder. Clear? So frequency increases. It seems to be frequency increases. And when the train moving away from you, say you are in the station, train is moving away from the station, then the sound will be fainter and fainter. Okay? That means the apparent frequency decreases. Apparent frequency, when this is negative, if this is negative, that means increase. If this is positive, that means this is decreasing. Frequency is decreasing. So when the source of sound moving away from the stationary listener, the apparent frequency decreases, and when the source of sound moving towards the stationary listener, the apparent frequency increases. Okay? Another cases I will discuss next day. Bye. ठीक से पढ़ना सब, ठीक से पढ़ना. ओके, रखता हूँ.